Culture Guru.
Hi, I'm Miss Ajanta. That's Ajanta. Do you know what chaat is? Chaat is Indian street food. That's right. If you go to India, you'll actually see people selling this stuff right on the street. And it is so yummy. Kids, this is my most favorite chaat of all times. It's called Pani Puri. Let's say it together. Pani Puri. One more time. Pani Puri. What's Pani? Pani means water. And it refers to this Pani right here. And what's Puri? Puri is a fried puffy shell just like this. Let's see how to make Pani Puri. It is so fun. So you take the puri and then you use your thumb and poke a hole in it. Just like that, you get to poke it. Next comes potato. And some people also put chickpeas in this. But for now, we're gonna put in some potatoes in here. Next step is gonna be that tamarind chutney that we used before. It goes in right here. And this is sweet. And for the final step, we're gonna dunk it. Look at that! You just dunk it into the pani, open your mouth wide and... Delicious!
We also have the fun book.
Find our Maya, Neil and Chintu books on Amazon worldwide. Kids, if you like this video, ask a grown-up to hit subscribe because then you can see more of these videos. See you next time.